Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic of traditional dresses versus Western dresses. So, according to me, a traditional attire gives you a classy and superior look. The beauty of women's come out when they are in traditional attire. We have many more options in traditional attire like lehenga, salwar suit, sari, etc.
Yes, we can say that there are too many varieties in Indian attires, but there are too many varieties as well in Western attires, like the boots and the round caps. And I think there is that the choosing the dresses is comes from the Western attire only, the independence, which completely look like an independence. Like there is no. You can't say that there is a particular dress that you have to wear. There is no choice in the dresses. If you want to wear whatever dress you want to wear, and there is no matter that how it looks. It is also that the dress doesn't look. This make the people dress make the people good looking, and also it is also the human beauty which is there inside of the human. So dress is also improve that.
Indian believes that the cultural and religion things wearing Indian dresses is a way of expressing love, respect, regard to each other in the festival occasions. As we can see that wearing traditional dresses in festival and is a way of expressing love for our India, and this and then these things are passed from one generation to another generation since ages.
Yes, that India have really too many cultures, and according to they have dresses. But Western culture also have too many festivals, and they also wear the dresses according to their festivals. Like if somebody is going in party, then it is Western dress also only that a man wears shirts and a pant which looks so classy, and also wear a tie which express the gentleman. And if we see about the girls, then they mostly wear a one piece complete which is from up to down, which is also looks so cool. And there are many other type of dresses which make people look good in Western culture, and they are something advanced. They are not only depending on particular salwar suits and other dresses. They are not common. Yes, we can say salwar suit, but they just keep the change in salwar suits and just looking. Otherwise, it is salwar suit and it is salwar suit. But if we see the people in Western culture, they have too many varieties of dresses. Like it is not important that they are just wearing a one piece and they are giving change in that. They have different type of varieties. And if we see in our Indian culture, even our Indian culture is also accepting their culture. Even many people don't know that they are actually using the Western culture only. Right now what we are wearing is also a Western culture dresses.
As you said that Western culture has many dresses, but as well as Indian culture also has many dresses, that there are salwar suit and sari. We know that there are many designs in salwar suit, like many women wear kurta and plazos, like they wear kurta and lehenga. And in saris we see that there are many more designs of blouses. We see that there are many designs in blouse. So there is no particular any dress of Indian and Western culture. If there are many dresses in Western culture, as well as there are many dresses in traditional culture also.
Every culture have its own dresses, but we can that if we talk about the dresses like we are talking right now, so that too many dresses the Indian culture have, I think Indian culture have at least 10% of their in dresses. But the totally culture which is came from Western give us the many varieties of dresses. They are our Indian culture is completely depend on the two three type of dresses. As you told, too many varieties, but we can wear that on only occasions. What about if we are simple livings or moving here and there? We can't carry that heavy dresses, because lehengas and these kurtas are really too heavy to wear, because we can't carry for long term. Like if we talk about that, right now I'm sitting here, I can't wear here a salwar suit, sorry, that coat pant type, but right now I'm wearing a jeans which is also a Western gift. And I'm wearing shirt is also a Western gift. The shoes you are wearing, I am wearing, that is also a Western. Too many varieties are given by Western dresses. We can say it is a comfort. They are just and they are just made for the people. Like they can wear anywhere for how much time, any for much time they can wear without feeling any type of problem. The Western dresses have a variety that we can wear it for long time also, because they just made it for comfort zone. Or if we talk about the Indian dresses are, I think they are too heavy to wear. No doubt they are cool, or they are too many. They expresses the culture of a nation, but these we can't carry for them long time because they are really heavy to wear.
As you said that in western dresses like jeans we feel comfortable, but if we go in Punjab side like Faridkot, a country named Faridkot, the women's are wear the salwar suit, patiala suit, their daily purposes, and the men's are wear kurta pajama, so they feel comfortable in that. So it is our choice if we feel comfortable in jeans, like as I know that many girls wearing lowers in their houses, they do not wear the jeans because they do not feel comfortable in it. But as we see that many women are wearing suits in the house, so they feel comfortable in this is not any particular choice that we feel comfortable in this or that.
It is a choice to feel comfortable. If you told that in house the mostly girls wear lower is also wear western because it is came from the jeans and that jeans and different type of dresses which we wear. Lower is also a made came from western. And if you say that you told me about that Punjab particular place where people wear these dresses, but if we talk about the percentage of the our country, then there are too many percentages. Like I can compare nearly by 80 to 85% people mostly use the western dresses because they are easy to carry. And the western dresses have really great varieties. They are not only just we can't say that this we wear it. There are too many varieties in western dresses.
Yes, there are too many varieties in western dresses and Indian dresses also. But if we can see that people are too fashionable, they want to be go ahead in the fashion, they want to be look very superior and classy, so that is why they choose western culture. But in some occasions like some festivals, they wear the traditional attire. We know that the traditional attire also give a superior look, but for trend, for showing people that how we are modern, they choose the western attire.
Yes, they choose western attire. Western attire is really good. That's why I'm supporting western attire because if we see the what western give us, like my favorite round hat, that cap, that is came from western attire. And if we see the shoes, they are shoes, and the shoes with boots, they are long shoes which are boots. They are also given by western culture. And they give us a hanky because in our culture we are using a swafi that is too big to carry and we can't carry it everywhere, like that is a hanky is given by the western attire, which is also a good. We can carry in a single pocket and we can use it as a like large cloth. And there are too many dresses which are gifted by, and I think 80% 80% of dresses are completely came from the western attires, and we are using since it from 1940.
Yes, people wear many dresses which are from western attire, but the Indian people wear traditional dresses for show our culture, show our customs. If we are going some out in those cities which are if we are going foreign, so yes, we should wear the western dresses, and we should wear because we know that people are mostly wear western dresses, and we should have to wear it. But in India, we have to show our culture to wear traditional dresses when people are coming from the outside. As we know that many foreigners are coming to Agra to see Taj Mahal, and if we are wearing our traditional dresses from those people, so they are also encouraged by seeing us. So we should wear the traditional attire in India.
Yes, we wear the dresses for encourage people outside for showing our culture, no problem. But somewhere we wear at that particular time only, just for when they came in our country, we are wearing at that time. What about other time? Other time we are mostly using Western culture only.
But we don't know when they are come, so I think we should wear traditional dresses. And as we know that the mostly marriages, the mostly functions, we wear Indian traditional dresses. So why should we wear? Because we like it too very much. We wear western dresses for our daily purpose, not for something special, some in some occasion, some festival, because we know that the western dresses didn't give that look which we want in the festival occasions, in something special occasions. So that is why we wear traditional attire in that special purposes. So why should we not wear traditional attire in daily purposes? Because if the a point of comfortability. So the traditional attire also gives the comfortability to the men's and women's both.
As you asked me that why should we not wear the our culture dresses in everyday life, I told you that and that too many people. So yes, I think everyone wants to wear their culture dresses in festivals or in something marriages, but they are, I think, enough for that time only. They are heavy to carry and they are heavy to wear. We can't wear it for long time. That's why they are mostly not using their dresses. They are just, you can see that somebody have a lehenga. He purchased a lehenga. Now I think he will use that lehenga in only in marriages only. If he go to party, can he wear lehenga in party? No, I think no. And that lehenga is cost a lot. I think 6 to 7 thousand, and it is just used in particular season only, which is of marriage. But if we see about the Western culture, like I wear a shirt, and somebody wear and girls also buy a shirt. Somebody wear a shirt, and if it is not important that he or she is wearing it in a marriage only, because we can use Western culture is also now coming in marriages, so we can use that shirt in even the parties. If we are traveling somewhere, we can use that there also. Means it is universal that we can wear anywhere where we want to go. It is not there is no problem that we haven't keep it in our almari and our godrej for long time. We can use it for anywhere. That's why the Western dresses are good, because we are not making it for some particular time. We can use Western dresses for anywhere, anytime. We can use them anywhere.
As you said that the traditional dresses are very heavy to carry, but it is not that much heavy. If we are buy the heavy dresses, so they are heavy, but there are very light dresses also. We can see that many women they wear sari in their daily purpose, and many women wear suit in their daily purpose, because they buy light suits and light saris, so they wear these type of things in daily purpose. And as you said that we can go for travel, so we wear the Western dresses, it feels comfortable. But as we see that in the most of the travel, if we are going to the travel, so women are wearing kurtas and leggings, and it also feels comfortable to women. But if we are going to the party, you said that we also wear Western dresses. No, sometimes the women wear the crop kurtas with the plazo, so and they go the parties. But it is not compulsory that if we are going to the party, so we should wear Western dresses. Sometimes women wear traditional attire in parties and they look very classy.
Yes, we can say that sometime, but sometime, mostly time they wear Western dresses.
Yes, mostly time they wear Western. As I said before, that people are being more fashionable. They sometimes people are copying to others. They think that if we are wearing Western attire, so we look more beautiful and stylish, more fashionable. For showing others, they take sometime Western dresses. It happens. But if we are wearing traditional attire, doing something different from others, so it also looks very good. It also keeps our custom. It shows our culture.
It shows our culture, but for how much time? For how much time mostly people choose our culture? I think I saw many times that people are using our culture, wearing our culture dresses just in occasions. But I think I'm seeing this as a how much time, for how much long time we are using it. Like occasions, okay, it is enough for occasions. But mostly time people use in their local time, in their particular precious time, in their office time, any time. They mostly use Western culture dresses. They only use these type of dresses like our Indian cultures just for occasions, and they are also only, I think that is only connected with marriages. Means you said that our culture is really good, dresses are good, and mostly people prefer that. But most of the time and most of our generation is using Western culture, and there is a reason behind it, because that is easy, and I think so that is cheap, and I think that is really good, easy, and that can suit on anyone. Like if we talk about the lehenga, it also depend on the body. And if we talk about the dresses, there is no matter how you look, how your body is looking, but it can comfort on every type of body. Western dresses are made for them. मतलब these can comfort with on anyone and anytime. That's why these are made it, and that's why most of the peoples are using these dresses most of the time.
But it is not compulsion that we wear lehenga for our daily purpose. If we are buying the lehenga, so we should wear in the marriages. But as you said that if we wear western attire for daily purposes, for office purposes, so we should we feel comfortable. But it is not that we feel comfortable, because most of the teachers in our school, they wear salwar suit and they feel very comfortable, because we know that the suit are very good, and it is also cheap in rate, and it is also very good, because if we wear patiala suit, so the salwar was very loose and it will feel very good. So I think the traditional dresses are good for the daily purposes also. So at the end, from the above discussion, I find that both the dresses have their own benefits. It depends on the person how they want to look, in which dress they feel more comfortable, and in which dress they find more easy to wear. So it depends on the person. Thank you.